everybody. It's New Hampshire Hillbilly here up in the White Mountains, New Hampshire. And I've spent the last couple days, this is just quick, it's an update. I pulled all my track up and I reconfigured my railroad system for my American Flyer trains. And I thought I'd share it with y'all. Now if you notice, everything goes in a loop. I'll tell you what, I'm going to stand over here and I'm going to show you. Now, if you start here, double switches. These are both switches here. I don't have anything wired up yet. But you go to a siding there where you can come into here with the switch and do a siding. Or you can go out around, come back on that switch, continue around, come back out and around, and come back through the switches here. It's completely encased, so you can back up and go forward, back up and go forward, but you can take the train in different directions, which is something I've been wanting to do for quite a while. But you can see it's basically almost the same on the perimeter until you get to here. So, but I've got all my cars set up. My next chore is to get it all wired into the transformers here so that I have enough power to run this big track. There's a lot of track involved here. You're going to have a lot of power ties. So. But anyway, this is New Hampshire Hillbilly saying, keep on trucking, stay free, stay aware, stay on.